Hello, my viewers. Welcome back. This is your teacher Pasco and Mr. Distinctions. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, you can subscribe now. This is because on this channel, you'll be enjoying all the compulsory subjects, which include mathematics, biology, physics, chemistry, and also English. Therefore, I urge you to subscribe. Okay, so as I said in the previous video, today we are dealing with the indices. If you haven't watched that video, you can watch because in the previous video we dealt with the factorization. Actually, factorization is an important topic because it is there in almost every paper of mathematics, paper 1. So today we'll be looking at the indices. Indices also is an important topic which you need to know because these are the first questions of the paper, mathematics paper 1. Alright, so let's begin with the question which came in 2016. Let me just clear the board. The question which came in 2016. This is paper 1. So here is the question. Evaluate evaluate 8 power 2 over 3. So they have asked us to evaluate this. Okay, so what you need to know, this is a simple question. So I'm going to explain the concepts which you need to know for you to handle this question easily. Okay, the first point is that whenever you see just this question, just know that you need to write square root. Then after you have written a square root, you need now to know how to put numbers in this square root. So what it is that this number which is a base, you have to write it right over here. Then this number which is down there, you have to write it right over here. Then this one which is on top, you have to write it right over here. Okay, I'm sure you can see what I'm doing. Or maybe let me just clear the board so that you can see clearly. Okay, so here is the question. Over 3. So what I was saying is that you're going to write the square root, then this number which is the base, you're going to write it right over here. Then this one, you're going to write it right over here. Then this one, you're going to write it right over here. Okay, so what does it mean? This means that we are going to find the number which when we multiply it 3 times, it is going to give us this number which is right over here. So what is that number? We are going to try. Let's try 1 times 1 times 1. The answer is 1. So that number cannot be 1. Let's try 2. 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, the answer is 8. So 2 is the answer. Now, don't forget we haven't done. We have just found the number, but still we have remained with something. So we are going to write these 2. Remember, we have these brackets and a 2 right over here. So we are going to write it like that. Then this means that this 2 has been written in index form. And this is 2 squared. Okay, so this simply means that we have 2 times 2. And what is 2 times 2? 2 times 2, the answer, okay, let me just write it right over here. 2 times 2, the answer is 4. And 4, or the answer 4, this question. Okay, let's move on and look at another example. So this question, the next question came in 2018 GCE. 2018 GCE. So here's the question. Evaluate. Okay, let me just do this. Okay, here's the question. Evaluate 27 to the power 2 over 3. Okay, so in the, like we are doing the first question, we're going to write square root. Then this number, which is on the front, we're going to write it here. Then this one on down there, we always put it there. Then this one, which is on top there, we're going to put it on top like that. Okay, this means that we are going to find a number which we are going to multiply 3 times to give us 27. I hope you are getting the point. So we are going to, let's try 1 times 1 times 1. The answer is 1. So 1 cannot be the answer. Let's try 2. 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2, the answer is 4. 4 times 2, the answer is 8. So 2 also cannot be the answer. What about 3? 3 times 3 times 3. So 3 times 3, the answer is 9. 9 times 3, the answer is 27. And here we have 27. So 3 is the answer. But again, remember, we haven't done because we have these 2. Okay, we have these 2. So we are going to write our 3, then we put these brackets and write our 2 right over here. So this means that we are multiplying 3 by 2 times, because this means that we have 3 times 3. We are going to multiply this number by how many times? 2 times. And the answer, 3 times 3, the answer is 9. So 9 is the answer for this question. Okay, let's look at another example. This question came in Mathematics Paper 1, 2019 GCE. Okay, this is 2019 GCE. So evaluate. Okay, then here we've got 4. Right, so like we are doing in the first question, in the first and second question, here they have just helped us because we are now on the second step. We are going to find the number which we are going to multiply 4 times and give us 81. So what is that number? When we try 1 times 1 times 1 times 1, the answer is 1. 2 times 2, let's try 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, the answer is 16. So 2 cannot be the answer. Okay, what about 3? Let's try. We are going to try 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Okay, 3 times 3, the answer is 9. 9 times 3, the answer is 27. 27 times 3, the answer is 81. So in this case, 3 will be our answer. So we are going to write 3 right over here, but again don't forget we have this 3, so we are going to write the brackets which are these, then we put a 3, and this means that we are going to multiply 3 by 3 times. Okay, we are going to multiply it 3 times. So here it is, 3 times 3 times 3, and the answer is 27. So that was our answer. All right, let's look at the last question. Let's look at the last question, which came in 2019, paper 1. In this case, this is the school certificate, not GCE. Okay, so they told us to evaluate to the power 0 times 2. Okay, so this was a simple question. The only rule we need to know is that any number to the power 0 is 1. Any number to the power 0, like this one, whereby we have been given -1, open bracket, -1, close bracket to the power 0. The answer is 1. So we have 1 times 2. If you just see a number to the power 0, even if it is 1000 to the power 0, the answer is 1. This is an important point. So this is a rule we are going to use even at this time. So any number to the power 0 is 1. I hope you have gotten that. So I've got -1 to the power 0 multiplied with 2. So this is equivalent to 1 multiplied with 2, and the answer is 2. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. In the next video, we'll be looking at coordinate geometry. So I invite you, also I encourage you to keep on checking on my videos. If you have any questions or concerns, you can write them in the comment box. Otherwise, thank you very much.